Greetings, dear children. Let us understand adjectives today. All these words you can see on the screen are adjectives. Lucky, obedient, fuzzy, quiet, heroic, foolish, enthusiastic, cloudy, sunny, etc. In this chapter, we'll learn what are adjectives, the grammatical nature and various uses of adjectives, the classification of adjectives, and 8 types of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. In easy words, adjective is a describing word. Adjective describes the noun and it tells us about the quality, quantity, number, or order of the noun that it describes. For example, good, black, many, few, big, brave, etc. Black car. There is a black car. In this sentence, black is an adjective and car is a noun. Good boy. He is a good boy. Good is an adjective and boy is a noun. There are 8 types of adjectives. Number 1, adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Number 3, adjective of number. Number 4, demonstrative adjective. Number 5, interrogative adjective. Number 6, distributive adjective. Number 7, proper adjective. Number 8, possessive adjective. First of all, we'll do adjective of quality, means of what kind. Now let us move on to its definition. The words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun are called adjective of quality. For example, good, bad, black, hungry, etc. Now let us have a look on these sentences. Red words in these sentences depict adjective of quality. He is a clever boy. I saw a hungry dog. In these sentences, clever and hungry are showing the quality of boy and dog. So these are adjective of quality. Number 2, adjective of quantity means how much. The words which describe the quantity of nouns or pronouns are adjective of quantity. For example, some, all, few, half, any, etc. I hope you all are understanding. Now let us see some sentences. I don't have much time. I have little faith in God. He has taken half cup of milk. He had lost all his wealth. In these sentences, the words much, little, half and all are the adjectives of quantity because they show I have time. But how much? I have little time, right? Now let us move on to adjective of number means how many. Adjectives of number refer to things that can be counted, even if it is an indefinite amount in the sentence. For example, 1 or first, 2 or second, 3 or third, and so on. Each, no, several, all, some, etc. Now see these sentences. A week has 7 days. Number 2, there are 9 people in a group. Number 3, every poor needs job. In these sentences, 7, 9 and every are the adjective of number because they are referring to things that can be counted. Okay. Next one is demonstrative adjective means which. Its definition is words that are used to point out specific person or thing are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, this, that, these, those, later, former, such, etc. Now look at these sentences. I hate such things. Number 2, the former presentation of lecture was good. In these sentences, such and former are demonstrative adjectives as they are used to point out specific things. Got it? Now next one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective means ask question. Words that are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Look at these sentences. What manner of man is he? Whose books are these? In these sentences, what and whose are interrogative adjectives as they are used with nouns to ask questions. Now let us proceed to distributive adjectives. A word used to refer to each and every person or thing is called distributive adjective. For example, each, every, neither, either, any, one, both, etc. And now proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are originated from proper noun. Proper adjective originates from proper noun, and like proper noun, proper adjective always begin with a capital letter. For example, Indian, Russian, Italian, etc. Some sentences are: she is an Indian. Chinese noodles are in the kitchen. In these sentences, Indian and Chinese are proper adjectives. As I told you that proper adjectives begin with capital letters just like proper nouns. Okay. And last one is possessive adjective, which shows possession or ownership. Possessive adjectives show that something belongs to someone. For example, my, your, his, her, its, etc. Have a look at these sentences. My book is on the table. I think you forgot your purse. His brother is very handsome. In these sentences, my, your, and his are possessive adjectives as they are showing ownership of a noun. Now let us do adjectives in comparison. Let us read these sentences. Two cats lived in a house. One was a brown cat and the other was white cat. The brown cat was bigger than the white cat. The house was warmer in winter than outside. It was colder in summer than outside. The words in red are adjectives and they tell us about the cats and their house through comparison. We add er to the adjectives to show comparison between two things. We use than after the adjective to show the comparison. For example, big, bigger, warm, warmer, cold, colder. And now look at this exercise, and you have to complete this exercise neatly in your notebooks. Fill in the blanks with the correct comparative forms of the adjectives given in the brackets. So for your convenience, I am doing the first one for you. Suman is dash then Aman, and we have tall in the bracket. So answer will be Suman is taller than Aman. And rest of the sentences you have to do on your own. So complete it nicely, neatly, beautifully in your notebooks. Okay. Now dear students, you already know adjectives can be used for comparison. Most adjectives have comparative and superlative forms. Some adjectives have more and most before them when used for comparison. Here you can see these adjectives. These are their comparative forms and these are their superlative form. Old is an adjective and older is its comparative form and oldest is its superlative form. Good, better in comparative form, best in superlative form, smart, smarter, smartest, intelligent, more intelligent in comparative form, and most intelligent in superlative form, beautiful, more beautiful, and in superlative form, most beautiful. And my dear girls, at last I'm giving you a table. What you have to do is you have to complete these adjectives in superlative and comparative forms. So for your convenience, I'll do first one for you. Sweet, sweeter in comparative form, and sweetest in superlative form. So complete this table in your notebooks neatly and also learn this table. Okay, so this is all about today's topic. I hope you understood it properly, and if you are getting any problem in understanding, feel free to let me know. Thank you and have a great day.